Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another wig install, and today's wig is from Luvmehair. As you guys are paying attention to this intro, I want you to focus on that super skin-like lace. They did a really good job. So this wig is called their Water Wave Glueless Flexi Fit Drawstring 13x4 Lace Frontal Fluffy Curly Wig. This wig does come with the pre-cut lace. They're saying that it comes within 180% to 250% density. I believe I have the 180% density. I also have this wig in 26 inches and it is 100% human hair. Now, a couple of things about this wig cap, you guys. Luvmehair did take a lot of my critiques into effect, and what they did is they created an ear-friendly wear and go wig cap. It's supposed to be comfortable and secure. It's breathable and it's lightweight. It does come with the removable side combs, and of course it has that drawstring in the back like I mentioned earlier, which really makes a difference. You guys know I used to complain a lot about how the Luvmehair wigs fit on me because they were huge, so I'm really happy that they're starting to incorporate these drawstrings now. That way I can tighten the entire wig cap. And then also the lace is beautiful as always, and we all love us some water wave glueless wigs. I know summer is coming to an end, but it's still hot where I'm at. You still got time, and you guys know fall don't be falling the way it used to, so it's still hot. So take advantage of these curly wig units. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys an unboxing per the usual, and then we're gonna go ahead and start with the install. First things first, I'm just adding some foundation all over this lace. Once the wig is in position, I'm going to go ahead and use that drawstring, and this tightens the entire wig cap, not just the back but the lace area as well, so it becomes more secure. Now, although the wig does fit better on me, it does not match my hairline as perfectly. The lace kind of overlaps my ears, so I'm going to go in with some lace melting spray and kind of just finesse it to make sure everything is laying as flat as it should be. This is the amount of shedding that I got from detangling each side. I went ahead and finger detangled the curls, and then I just went in with some water and finger detangled a little bit more. The only product that I added to the curls was some mousse, and that's what really helped to define the curls a lot more. If you would like to use gel, you can. If you would like to use mousse, you can. You could really use whatever curling defining product that you would like to use. My recommendation though is to keep it very light and simple because it's a water wave and you still want to take advantage of the density that the wig has. Next, I'm going to go ahead and just add some foundation all over that lace to make it blend in with the rest of my makeup. Alright guys, voila, we are all finished. Again, this lace is a super natural skin-like hairline, so I appreciate that. You don't have to worry about bleaching, you don't have to worry about plucking, and you don't have to worry about cutting. It came ready to go. On top of that, the texture of the hair was beautiful. It had a nice shine to it. The shedding was pretty minimal. It did not have a smell to it, and it took to the product extremely well. Last but not least, again, you guys, this wig does come with the drawstring to fit anybody's head circumference. Okay, so you guys know Love Me hair wig caps tend to not fit me as perfect, so that drawstring is crucial for me to have in order for me to get a better fit. Yes, I went in with some lace melting spray, but I did explain why I had to use it. My recommendation is to just do what's best for you. Okay, these wigs aren't customized to each individual, so sometimes you have to tweak it a little bit, but I do think that they did a really good job to make sure that anybody can rock it and finesse it to their own liking. As always, I'm going to have the direct link listed in my description box down below. Sometimes I have a coupon code there, you guys, so make sure you guys check it out. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys next time.